Hey, it's Klaus here. Welcome to my website and your interest in conversion rate optimization. I will give you now an overview of the Conversion Masterclass program. First question, for whom is the Masterclass program? It is for Shopify store owners who like to learn on how they can increase the conversion rate in their store and their online revenue from existing traffic without spending more on ads. Let's go into the program itself. In the program, you will learn on how to optimize your store and your e-commerce marketing so that you get more conversions out of it. You will get a proven e-commerce optimization and marketing framework, and you get personalized, actionable advice to unlock the full revenue potential of your business. With the Get Conversions program, you get a roadmap that takes you step by step through this process. Let's have a look at the curriculum here. The program consists of 8 modules, all are focusing on conversion rate optimization and business optimization. In the first module, in the first week, we give you an overview of the course and we set up your baseline. We collect KPIs, key performance indicators that you already have to create a baseline that we can fall back later to just to compare what works in your business. Next, we are going to work on your customer avatar, on your perfect audience, on your ideal customer to make sure that your business targets the right person. We look into competitor evaluation, competitor research. We will do some work there and see what your competitors do and find out what works for them and what not. Setting up more optimization and profitability factors, looking deeper into the numbers. And then we will go deeply into a unique value proposition in your UVP and in your unique selling proposition. And all of this will be basically the foundation from where we start off and work on the conversion rate optimization part of your store. Which brings us to the second module of the membership program of the masterclass, and there we will deep dive into your store and really touch on every element, on every page, on every part of your Shopify store or WooCommerce store, and optimize all elements on your website for higher conversions. So we're starting with the header, the footer, we go through the home page, the collection page, product page, we optimize the cart page, we optimize the checkout page for higher conversions, and also we look on pages like the thank you page, the 404 page, the about us page. Then we look into the conversion optimization and speed optimization of your mobile page. We look into different Shopify apps that help you with optimizing your store. Again, we look into site speed, and I'll give you a couple of ideas on page builders, theme builders, and all of these things. Once we have your Shopify set up for higher conversions, we look into email marketing automation. This goes hand in hand. This is part of the foundation of a successful business. And we look into the setup of Klaviyo. I recommend Klaviyo as this is the best marketing automation for Shopify. And Klaviyo should give you 30% or more of your monthly revenue on autopilot. Therefore, it's important that Klaviyo is set up the right way and you have activated the right flows. So in the next module, we will go step by step through the implementation and the setup of Klaviyo, and I will show you which flows you need to set up and how to do it the right way to get the most revenue and the most conversions out of it. Once we have done this, we are sort of done with the base things, but then we go a little bit more technical. We go into search engine optimization to make sure that you get traffic, generic traffic from search engines like Google, like Bing. And therefore, we want to make sure that your product detail pages and the other pages of your Shopify store are set up in the right way and that you get over time as much generic free traffic as possible. Next module will deal with conversion research. So we dive deep again into numbers. We will go into analytics tools in Google Analytics, for instance, and see what kind of KPIs or what kind of data we can filter out to see how your user behaves, where your users are coming from, and where you should focus on to get the most revenue from the traffic that you're getting in. Hand in hand with that goes usability testing. So we look into user behavior analytics, visitor recordings. We do user testing, surveys, and polls. All of this will help you to understand what your user experiences on your website and if there is any roadblocks in your Shopify store that are preventing you from making more e-commerce sales. For your marketing activities, we will look in the next modules into sales funnels, into landing pages to make sure that the marketing or that the traffic that you drive through marketing will go in on high converting pages and then drive more revenue for your store. We will briefly touch on paid advertising. We look at the Facebook ads and Google search ads, Google shopping ads, and so on and so forth. Now, this is all focused on conversion rate optimization. This is not a Facebook ads course, but we want to make sure that your paid advertising is set up in the right way. So paid advertising, PPC management, just making sure that everything is set up proper and working there. Same here, we will look into social media marketing. Again, this is giving you an overview of potential channels that you can use to drive traffic to your store. And the purpose of this module is to find out the social media channels that potentially work the best for you. Next module, you will dive into ways and strategies where you can increase the revenue on your store overall. That means from the traffic you already have, we want to work on your offer. We want to work on your product detail pages just to increase your revenue. And this will help you obviously with a higher revenue overall at the end of the month. The last modules dealing with business information systems and with productivity hacks and outsourcing. There we want to make sure that you work on your business and not in your business and find ways to free up your time either with tools or outsourcing and what you can use there to help you in the best possible way. So this is all to optimize your day, to optimize your time so that you really can focus on the most important parts in your business and outsource or automate everything else that's not important. Now, this is a training that is video based, so you can do it in your own time, but with that you also get more. Included in the training is coaching calls with me. There are two options. In the group coaching option, we will meet once a week on Tuesdays. And this will be a Zoom call where you can just bounce off your ideas, your questions, get feedback from me to make the most out of the training. The other option is the one-to-one option where I work with a limited number of people at a time. And on the one-to-one option, you can schedule as many coaching calls as you need or want with me. And basically, I will be able to, or you will be able to talk to me anytime soon. And this will speed up your process. In between the calls, obviously, you have access to me via email. So I'm always there to help you to get you through the training as quick as possible. Now, let's go into the two options and have a look at it. So pricing-wise, the Get Conversions membership program has a all-access one-time joining fee of $749. And in the group coaching option, then it's for every other month after the first month is $199, which includes 4 group coaching calls per month and instant access and to me via email. The one-on-one option is the option with the unlimited calls. And in the unlimited calls, also the same price, all access one-time join fee, $749. And then it's $399 after the first month for unlimited one-on-one coaching calls per month. In the first 2 weeks, you get a 100% money back guarantee. Basically saying you can test out the program, the training for 2 weeks. If for any reason you don't like it or you don't see it as a fit for you, I will refund your money 100%. After the first month, you can cancel any time. So it's entirely up to you how long you want to stay in the membership. Once you cancel the membership, obviously you won't have any access any longer to the program. Now, what else is included in the masterclass program? There is more. In the masterclass program, as I said, you get access to the Get Conversions program, to the course, to the free training. You get my mentorship, my coaching calls. As I said, the Q&A either weekly or unlimited email support between the calls. And then you also get bonuses. As for the bonus, you get a comprehensive store audit. Once you're done with the conversion rate optimization of your store, you have been through the training, I will go into your store and do a full store audit to really make sure that everything is 100% optimized and you're ready to go. The same I will do for your Klaviyo account, for your email marketing system. Once you have set up all in the right way, I will do an audit of your account to see if everything is done the right way. You get on specific themes. If you want to change your theme, I can offer you 10% discount on selected high converting premium Shopify themes. And the last bonus is you actually get 2 seats for the price of 1. So if you have a team member or anyone else that's helping you with the training, they also will get access to the training. So you basically get 2 for 1. So here we go again. If you want to join, you can join today, get instant access. You get group coaching calls or one-on-one coaching calls. You get 14 days money back guarantee. And again, you can cancel anytime after the first month. Here we have it, just an overview of the Get Conversions Masterclass program. If you're interested, then you can sign up for the group coaching program directly by clicking the button below this video. For the one-on-one coaching program, there is an application process. As I only work with a limited number of people, just click the button below the video and apply for that. If you're not 100% sure if you're a good fit or which of the two options are the best for you, then click the button and schedule below the video and schedule a free strategy call with me. And we will dive into your business and see what option works best for you. That's it for this quick overview of the Get Conversions Masterclass membership program. If you have any questions, as said, click the button, schedule a call with me, or drop me an email. I'm always happy to answer all your questions. That's it for now. Have a great day and hope to see you in the program soon.